Welcome back to our channel. Question 26 is about a functional group of organic compound. Propanol and butanol, you remember OND, remember who are they? They are ketones, okay? Easy to remember OND, ketones. So it is R, C, double bond O, R, okay? So you can write them down actually. Okay, so propanol, 3 carbon, so C double CH3, right? Butanol, add one more, add one more CH2 there, okay? So they are differed in one CH2. Do they have the same empirical formula? No, for the butanol, add CH2 but doesn't add the O, so the ratio should be different. So different empirical formula. How about the general formula? Before, look at the propanol first, okay? Propanol is CVH6O, okay? So whenever I add next one will be add a CH2R still. Becomes C4H8O. Can you see the pattern? Yes. Always a hydrogen number is a double that of the carbon. So this is the general formula. When you can't find it out, you just dissolve the few from the start and you will realize the general formula. Got it? So what's the answer? C. Well done. See you for next question. Bye.